In this big planter, I'm going to plant sweet potato, vine, different colors of petunias, and canna, which is bicolor, I think red and white. I have to water the soil because it was super dry. I'm going to plant the canna first. My fertilizers are triple 13 and alfalfa meal. And at the other end is the sweet potato vine. At the middle, two white petunias. Violet, pink, and this one without flower yet is violet also, petunia. Violet, and also this one, violet also, though it doesn't have flowers yet. My design is the peacock. This one is the head. It can grow as tall as 3 feet and more. Wings and the tail. This is the back portion. I'm filling up this side of the garden bed with cardboard, twigs, green stuff like those leaves, and then I'm going to put soil. This bed is on its last leg. I have not yet decided if I'm going to change into a metal garden bed because the size of this is 8 by 2 feet. So because I'm here in Oklahoma and the summer is so hot, so if the width is only 2 feet, maybe the soil can get so hot. There are times that the highest temperature is above 100 degrees Fahrenheit for more than 60 days straight. Very undesirable for plants. Mini gallery yellow lupin. It's a mounding perennial. Means to say comes back year after year. Keep moist first year, 2 times per week. I don't think I can have to follow that one. It's so hot here in Oklahoma. Hardiness is zone 4. Average mature size 14 to 16 inches in height and 8 to 10 inches spread. Spacing 8 to 10 inches. Monthly fertilization, and it's a deer resistant plant. As usual, alfalfa meal and triple 13 fertilizer. I broke one flower. The pathetic looking roses should have been planted long time ago. I bought this in February and we're already almost at the end of May. They have suffered 3 months in my hands. I'm so sorry, roses. I want to plant them in the ground, but I don't have the space, or there's a shade after 3 o'clock in the afternoon. The yellow rose is Michelangelo, and the red one is Mr. Lincoln. I've thrown in my usual fertilizers. Now is the compost time. I'm saving the tags to remember the variety of the plants by inserting them. Voila! Time to water. I'm going to remove the spent flowers. I'm looking for the 5 leaf. This one is 3 only. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. The one at the back is 5. So above the 5 leaf. See? 5 leaf. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is broken. Better do some cleaning here. Watered already. So this is a single flower stem. There's one stem, one flower. Whereas this one stem, there are 2 flowers here. So I'm going to prune it there. When this flower will die, that's the time I'll look for the 5 leaf. This is 5. This is 3. So I'm going to trim it above the 5 leaf. After this one died. You can support my channel by subscribing. May you have a wonderful life.